Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you wish to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, and you can do so for a very small fee of $249 through our website. I'm going to leave our website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing team, simply scroll down now, click on the link, which will then take you to our website, and that's where you'll then be able to purchase the service and join our team. However, in front of me is the Nasdaq 100 futures chart, and as you can see today, we have continued our rally towards the upside. Yesterday was a bit worrying because the last 30 minutes of the US session, we did have a slight pullback from our rally. You know, don't get me wrong, we ended heavily in the green, up around, I think it was 1.8% here on the Nasdaq. We were as high, we ended the day up at around 2.8%, but during the day at one point we was as high as 3.5%. So we did have a slight pullback in the final 30 minutes, which is always a slightly worrying sign that, you know, the following day we could potentially pull back some more. And prior to the US markets opening, we were trading in the red ever so slightly across the board. So that's in the S&P 500, the Dow Jones 30, and the Nasdaq 100. But we had the jobless claims numbers come out at 1:30 British time, 8:30 Eastern time in New York, and the number was a lot better than expected. And we also had the PPI number which come out, which also come in at 0.3%, and I think Wall Street was expecting 0.2%. So it was much better than expected. And you know, if economic data continues to come out and surprise us to the upside, this is very encouraging for stocks. And I just don't see why the stocks should go lower. You know, we have the Fed supporting the market at the moment as well. Earnings are actually growing. We've seen some great earnings growth over the past couple of quarters, and it's very, very tough to see why shares should go lower when you're trading in an environment like this. Also, as you can see on the chart, if I just zoom in a bit there we go. We're now trading back within the uptrend that we've been in since March, which is also very encouraging. For that reason there, I am bullish on the Nasdaq 100. I have no interest in selling, only if we get a daily close below the 50-day EMA, which we nearly did the other day. But as you can see, there was evidence that the bulls step back in the market and push us back up. So we're now trading well above the 50-day EMA. And personally, I think that the Nasdaq 100 will continue its uptrend back up to all-time highs at around 12,500. Do not get me wrong, it's not going to happen overnight, but it will just be a small gradual grind. We will have some ups, we will have some down days, but a small gradual grind towards the upside. That is my forecast for the Nasdaq 100. Any big dip that occurs, I'm a buyer, but yeah, no interest in selling whatsoever.